Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a shared folder that you can share files between your virtual machine, where your Ubuntu desktop, and your host machine. Alright, now first you have to go to the VirtualBox menu and click on Devices and click on Insert Guest Edition CD Image. Alright. This is going to install a bunch of extra software that you will need for this. Would you like to run it? Yes, just click Run. You need your password. Okay, and just let it finish installing. It will take a few seconds and the prompt will come back when it's done, so just wait. Okay, so it's done. Press return, close the windows. It says that you have to restart the health service. Maybe the easiest way for you to do this is to actually reboot the Ubuntu. Okay, so maybe we should have done this before we clone the system, but that's okay. So I'm going to reboot now. Let's see. So there, restart. I'm just going to shut down then. Okay, done shutting down. Now I'm going to power on again. Okay, I'm going to log in. Oh, why does it not have a bigger screen? Interesting. Okay, so now I want to enable a shared folder, so I go to the VirtualBox menu on Devices and do Shared Folder Settings. In this case, let's see, I believe what we need is a transient folder. Or what you want to do is you add a new shared folder definition. So click on the Add Folder icon. And for the folder path, you can select it using a dialog box. In my case, I'm just going to do download. Well, not everything in downloads, perhaps just ICS 321 software. So I'm going to choose that. And the folder name is ICS 321 software. Okay. We want to automatically mount. That may be a good idea. Well, think about whether you want this. Well, we can make it permanent. We can make it auto mount. And let's just click OK. And let's click OK. Okay, since we made it auto mount and permanent, the easiest way for you to try and get access to that is to reboot. Okay, I'm just going to, there's actually another way of doing it, but I think it's a bit more involved. Those of you who use Linux well can actually do that. So I'm going to reboot and restart. Let's wait a while. And now we can look for that folder. Now we're going to be working with command line, so I'm going to you can use the files GUI but I'm going to show you how to look for that folder in command line. So this is a command line shell, and the shared folder is going to be mounted on, in fact, one way to check that is that if you check df, that's a command that has which partitions have been mounted, and you see that the shared folder SF ICS software is mounted here. So you can go there by doing cd media SF tab completion should work, and oh, I have a permission denied, so that means that I need to change the permission of that folder. So let's make it one way. I'm going to check the permissions of that, and that only has root. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a sudo change mode 755 media SF software. It's going to prompt me for my password, type it in, and now no, it didn't quite let me do it, so let's see again. Can I see it now? I still cannot see it. Okay, let me try that again without the final thing. And, okay, so okay, let's do this. We have to copy the file as root. Okay, so we can probably do this. Let's see. Okay, so you do everything using sudo. Now copy the file into a directory on your home directory. So you just type cd, this goes to your home directory. Let's just put it in downloads. Okay, so I'm just going to let me do it in downloads. So cd downloads, and I'm just going to create a directory mkdir oracle. Now I'm going to copy using sudo. Sudo executes the command as root. So media SF ICS 321 software, and the one that I want is Oracle XE 11.2.0-1.0.x86 underscore 64.rpm.zip. I'm going to copy it to where I am. Okay, that may take a few seconds, but it's done now. But now you still can't access this because it's the root owns it. So you're going to change the ownership to yourself, which in this case, what else do I have here? It's libyao. So chown libyao colon libyao oracle. That's it. Oh, I'm sorry, I need sudo in front of that. So just type sudo, and you're done. Okay, so now you own this file, and now you can unzip it and start installing Oracle. Okay, so I'm going to save that for another video.